One of the best pieces of advice for home buyers is make sure the house has good bones. Cosmetic changes come and go, but if the house is well built, it will stand the test of time. This is Eric Burnett from Story Real Estate, KW Palouse, and I want to show you what that looks like. So come join me at 938 North Grant Street in Moscow, Idaho, and let me show you why that old-fashioned advice still holds up. The previous owner did not cut any corners when making improvements to an already solid design. The roof has been replaced with architectural shingles. An additional layer of insulation was added under the newer steel siding, and Pella and Anderson windows and slider provide a solid aesthetic. The main floor is divided into two zones. First, the generous living room is brightened by large windows and a sliding glass door to the deck, and wraps around the kitchen where some well-maintained appliances contribute to a vintage feel. 3 bedrooms and 2 baths are neatly arranged to fill in the other half of this level, including the primary suite with a walk-in shower. Whether maintaining the classic feel or updating the cosmetics, this home will reward those who take care of it. Adjacent to the kitchen is the oversized 2-car garage with backyard access and room for a workbench and generous workspace. The walkout basement contains a kitchen, bedroom, den, full bathroom, separate laundry room, and extended living room with its own fireplace and access to the backyard. It's ready to be used as a second living space or for expanded entertainment. In the back corner of the basement, cabinets and shelves installed by the original builder still line the walls, some are even cedar lined. There's easy access for both of the gas forced air furnaces for regular maintenance. It's thoughtful and practical design choices like these that make a homeowner's life easier. Besides the house, the yard and landscaping have also been well kept. There's a garden plot at the back with a nearby shed for tools and supplies, and a solid stretch of grass between the mature trees. Now you know what people mean about a house having good bones. It really gives you a sense of security and confidence when your home is well built and prepared for the future. To view this house in person, give me a call at 208-301-0597. This is Eric Burnett from Story Real Estate, KW Palouse. I look forward to hearing from you and have a great day.